Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the science behind nuclear bombs, how they actually work, and why they're so powerful. There are two main types, fission bombs and fusion bombs. Fission bombs, like those dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, work by splitting heavy atoms, such as uranium-235 or plutonium-239 in a chain reaction that releases an enormous amount of energy almost instantly. Fusion bombs, or hydrogen bombs, go even further. They fuse light hydrogen atoms under extreme heat and pressure, producing an even more massive explosion. And they use a fission bomb as a trigger. Now let's talk about the parts of a fission bomb. You've got the fuel, which is usually uranium or plutonium. Then there's the moderator, which slows down the neutrons to help the chain reaction. The control rods absorb neutrons to keep the reaction under control. When the bomb's armed, the control rods are dropped or ejected. At the same time, the fuel reaches a critical mass, meaning it has enough fuel for the chain reaction to occur. As the neutrons produced by the fissioning atoms collide with other atoms, they cause them to split, releasing more neutrons, which cause more splits, and so on in a runaway reaction. This releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of heat and light, causing the explosion. The energy from the explosion is devastating in a large radius. It kills people instantly, burns their bodies, and destroys buildings. But that's not all. The explosion also blasts huge amounts of radioactive debris into the atmosphere, causing long-term health issues for people exposed to it. Fusion bombs, on the other hand, are even more complex. They require temperatures and pressures so extreme that they're impossible to achieve without a trigger. That's where the fission bomb comes in. The fission bomb provides the initial trigger to start the fusion reaction. Once the fusion reaction begins, however, it's self-sustaining. The immense energy released by the fusion reaction is what causes the hydrogen bomb explosion. These weapons are incredibly destructive, capable of leveling entire cities and causing widespread devastation. The first atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima, Japan on August 6, 1945. 3 days later, a second bomb was dropped on Nagasaki. Together, they caused an estimated 200,000 deaths. After the bombings, the United States, the Soviet Union, and the United Kingdom became the only 3 countries to possess nuclear weapons. Since then, 9 more countries have developed nuclear weapons. While these weapons are terrifying, it's important that we understand how they work, not to glorify them, but to learn from history and recognize the importance of peace and diplomacy. So what do you think? Did you find this video informative, or do you have any other thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.